How to get 100 subscribers in 2 days. I know trying to get your first 100 subscribers on YouTube feels impossible. I know, I understand, I've been there, I know, okay? But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a proven strategy. What I actually did that took my channel from 0 to 100 subscribers. Hello my beautiful people, my name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. On this channel, I create tutorial video on how to make money online and YouTube growth tips. If that's the kind of vibe that you like, or if this is the kind of content that you love, please do not forget to like, to comment, and to subscribe as we dive right into the video, guys. Okay, getting 100 subscribers on YouTube isn't magic, it is strategy. In this video, I'll be breaking down three steps that actually helped me to skyrocket my channel from 0 to 100 subscribers. You all know that I started this channel 4 days ago, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, just check it, either 4 or 5 days ago, just check it. Okay, I started this channel, and if you check my channel recently, I have over 250 subscribers. But this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got my first 100 subscribers. You don't want to miss it. In these 3 steps that I'm going to give you, the third one will blow your mind. The third one will blow your mind. You don't want to miss this video. Just don't worry, stick around, watch this video to the end, and I will show you what I did in the third strategy. Let's dive right into the video. Number 1 step is to connect with channels in your niche. What did I say? Number 1 step is to connect with channels in your niche. And what do I mean by that? See, look for those content creators, those YouTubers that are in the same niche with you. Go and connect with them by watching one of their videos from beginning to the end. Like their video, comment on their video, and subscribe. Do you know why I say so? Why is because you have the same audience that they have. Okay, the moment you comment in their comment section, okay, the person you commented on her channel might also come to your channel and subscribe. If the person knows you're a YouTuber, will come and subscribe, and their viewers will also subscribe to your channel. It's as easy as ABC. When I started my channel, I just invited a few family and friends, just 5 people. I invited them to this channel, and I didn't have any other person to invite, and I did not just want to start post my channel links anyhow. So what I did was I went to someone's channel. I watched her channel from beginning to end. I just implemented what I just told you guys, and the person is in my niche, and I commented. Before I knew what was happening, she also came to my channel, she subscribed to my channel, and her viewers, they started subscribing to my channel and commenting on my channel. Before I knew what was happening, I already have my first 50 subscribers. Yes, it works. This is a proven strategies that I did, and I'm showing you what I did to actually grow. And I know if you implement it, it will also work for you. And commenting on their channel, I didn't say you should just go there and go and comment. Like there's some people I will see, sub for sub, subscribe, let me subscribe. No, if you too find out that you are doing such a thing, they will shadow ban your channel, and you don't want that for your channel. Okay, so in order for you not to get shadow banned, what you have to do is just go say something nice, say something that you watch from that video, something interesting that you watch from that video. Just comment based on what you have watched. Okay, once you comment, then you let them know you're a new YouTuber, and you also create the same kind of content. That's just all you need, and before you know, people will start vibing with you. Okay, people will start vibing with you. Even if you want sub for sub, you don't need to come and even put it out sub for sub. You can say new YouTubers, let's vibe. Before you know it, they will start vibing with you. They'll come to your channel, they will subscribe, and you also have to return that energy back to them. So that's it. It's as simple as ABC. That is number 1 step. Number 2 step you need to do is what? Your comment section. Engage with your comment section. Once you posted that video, okay, once you posted that video, you have to engage with your comment section. This cannot be overemphasized. Okay, you must reply every comment you see there. Okay, click on the heart emoji you see there to give them a heart. Give them a heart. Comment on their comment section, as in reply their comment, I mean. Okay, it will make them feel important, it will make them feel valued. It's not just to have a subscriber that is the issue, it is also to have a retaining subscribers. Okay, there's some people that will subscribe to your channel and before you know they click out, they subscribe out of your channel. So for you to retain them, make sure you build a connection. Building a connection with your subscribers and in the comment section is very, very important. Okay, it is very, very important. You have to build that connection. Okay, so that is what is going to retain them in your channel. And also make sure you post valuable content before you even think of going to your people in your niche to go and subscribe to their channel. For you to get subscribers to your channel, make sure you have posted valuable content. Make sure as a new creator you have up to 2 videos that are valuable, that if those people leave those people's channel to come to your channel to subscribe, they will see something that will benefit them, that they can watch. Okay, not just maybe you don't have any video on your channel and you are going to look for subscribers. No, you must have that valuable content. Look out for trending content in your niche. Make sure you have posted that video. Just make it up to 2 or 3 as the case may be. Make sure you have that valuable content in your channel. Go ahead and post it. Okay, once you do that, once they from that your fellow YouTubers channel niche and they come to your own channel, they will see something to watch that will also put value in their life. I hope this is clear. Okay, so that is just it for the second one, and now let's dive to the third one. The third one is Restream. Guys, this cannot be overemphasized. Restream gave me more than 100 subscribers, honestly. Okay, Restream gave me more than 100 subscribers in one day. Okay, in one day. So in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can restream. Okay, how you can actually restream to get subscribers and watch time. Okay, it is very easy, so let's dive right into it. Okay, so guys, first thing first, you come to your Google Chrome. Okay, on the search bar, okay, you type in restream.io. Okay, restream.io, you search for it. You see this first one, they wrote official site, click on it. Okay, so it will take you to their official site. Okay, so this is it. It is opening. We'll just give you some time. Okay, so at this point, if you are here, you will see yours, there will be nothing on it. Like if you're registering on Restream for the first time, they will ask you to sign up. Okay, just sign up just the way you sign in for your Facebook or whatever. Okay, if you have not signed in before, you sign in. Okay, if you have signed in before, you just log in with your email and password you get. Okay, so if you are signing in, you can use your Gmail to sign in, you understand? So go ahead and just do what you like. Okay, just sign in. So once you sign in, at this point it will bring you here. So yours, if you have not done any project, you will not see anything on it. Okay, yours will just be blank, it will just be empty. Okay, so all you need to do, this place they say new over here, just click on new. It will bring you to this place. You see this place they say Restream Studio, just click on it. So we'll just give it time to load. Okay, so it has brought out my name, so you just click on enter studio. So if yours, you've not registered on this site before, it's going to tell you to register. I've said that before. Register with your Google account. Okay, so because I have registered with mine already, you can see it's bringing out my name. So click on enter studio, it will bring you to this place. Okay, so once you are here, the thing you need to do is, first of all, you have to make sure that your microphone is muted. You can see where I'm showing you, that is the place for microphone, and your camera, that's also the place for the camera for it to be muted, you must make sure it is muted. So once it's muted, then you can now go ahead with the live stream. Reason being that we want to just put our video out there, keep our phone, go and sleep. When we wake up in the morning, we'll see that our live stream has already yielded fruit, like it has given us subscribers and also watch hours. So we don't want our microphone or our camera to show. So this is a silent live stream. So next thing you need to do, you can see this place with three dotted line. Okay, but before then, before I forget, if yours is not showing like this slash you are seeing there, just go ahead and click on it. Okay, it's going to show. For once it shows slash on top of the microphone and on top of the camera, it means it has been muted. Okay, if you want to remove it, you click on it to remove it. Okay, so that's the way you will know that your camera has been muted. So make sure that your camera is muted. So you see these three dotted lines here, just go ahead and click on it. Okay, then you see this place they say video. Okay, go ahead and click on it. Okay, so once you do that, the next thing it will do is for you to upload. Okay, you need to click on upload. Okay, but before you click on upload, you have to delete one of the files here if yours already have three, because you are only allowed to have only three videos here. So delete one so that you can upload the one you want to upload. You're only allowed to upload three things here. So once it's more than three, they will ask you to subscribe. So go ahead and upload, choose the particular file you want to live stream. Okay, so once you choose it, you allow it to do its job. Okay, it is uploading. Okay, so we'll give it time, allow it to do its job. It's analyzing. Okay, and now it's processing. So to do its thing. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, now we are done. So the next thing you need to do is to click on the video. Okay, once you click on the video, it will bring you here. So once it brings you here, the next thing you need to do, you can see this place that there is channel. You can see it where I'm showing you the row plus channel. Just go ahead and click on it to add your channel. You can see my own name is already showing here. So for you, if you have not done this before, it will be asking you to connect your YouTube channel. Okay, just the way you can see Facebook, I've not connected it, is asking me to connect. That's the way you see YouTube, it will ask you to connect. So once you click on the connect, it will ask you to choose the Gmail of your YouTube. Okay, go ahead, just follow the prompts and you will be added. Okay, so once you are added, just turn it on. Okay, then you click on save for it to save. Okay, so that's just how it is. Okay, make sure it is turned on first before you can now click on save. Okay, so that is it. Once you click on save, you will see where it will be added. Just watch and see. Okay, just watch and see. Okay, you will see where it will be added. Your name, your picture, your YouTube name will be showing over here. Your YouTube picture, I mean, will be showing over there. So the next thing you need to do, click on the video. Okay, see that three dot line, click on it, then loop video. The reason why we are looping video is because we want this video to play while we sleep. Okay, we want this video to continue to play while we sleep. Okay, so that is the reason why we are looping the video. Remember, it's a 3 minutes video, so after 3 minutes it will keep on playing for hours until I'm tired. Okay, so you can see this first, make sure that this your button is on this first this thing. Okay, so that's just it. Once you have looped the video, that's just it. Okay, so the next thing is, see this place, this pen icon. Just go up here, you see this place with pen icon. Okay, so just go ahead and type in the title of your live stream. It can be how to make money online. Just type anything that your live stream is all about. Okay, just go ahead and type it, how to make money online. Save it. Okay, once you save it, it will appear here. Just watch it. You can see it has appeared. It will appear there. So at this point we are done. The next thing you need to do is to click on this what is it called, this message icon. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, this message icon, click on it. Okay, that's where you see all the messages. Once you click on go live, this is where anybody who comment on your live stream, this is where you see it and you reply them immediately. So that's just it. So you see this place, they say go live. So just click on it to go live. Once you click on it, you have gone live. Okay, so and once you are tired and maybe you stayed for hours and you want to end the live stream, this same place you see go live is where you see end stream. Okay, just go ahead and end the stream. Okay, and you have ended the stream. So it's just very simple. Okay, so it's just very simple, nothing much, nothing else. Okay, I just do not want this video to be so long. It's already long already, else I would have put out a detailed step by step. But all the same, in my next video I'll be creating a step by step video, okay, that will lead you and guide you through, for those who have not even started with it, or who at this point they are confused, they don't even know what I'm talking about. Don't worry, in my next video, watch out for my next video, I'm going to show a step by step on how you can go about it. Okay, and also I'll be showing you how you can actually edit a viral video. Okay, I'll be showing you how you can edit a viral video for it to boost your subscriber and also boost your watch hour. Okay, because if you are using your personal video, you will not get so much views, or you will not get so much subscribers. Okay, people tend to watch most viral things, so go ahead and look for a viral video in your niche. Even if you are not the owner of the content, there's how to edit it without having a copyright issue. So in my next video I'll be showing you how you can do that without having any copyright issue. Okay, so at this point we have come to the end of our lecture. So please do well to subscribe, comment in the comment section. If you have gained value, please comment I have gained value in the comment section. It will really boost my morale and boost my energy to put out great content like this for you. Okay, without further ado, I will have to say bye bye to you guys. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.